ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तं स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। नैष्कर्म्य सिद्धि द्वितीय अध्याय है। One Atma can get reflected in different water receptacles, and each water container will have different kriya, akriti, ityadi. So the question was raised that there is very much likelihood of paraspar virodh hai, and so one atma and so many anatmas having viruddha dharma will not be there a contradiction. So the answer is given tatra aha na cha viruddha viruddha dharmanam ekatra anupapattihi na. Viruddha dharmas can coexist in one atma. Why? See the shloka number 50. कल्पितानाम वस्तुत्वात् स्यादेकत्रापि संभवः कमनीया शुचिः स्वाद्वी त्येकस्यामिव योषिति. कल्पितानाम वस्तुत्वात् स्यादेकत्रापि संभवः कमनीया शुचिः स्वाद्वी त्येकस्यामिव योषिति. कल्पितानाम अवस्तुत्वात् एकत्रापि संभवः स्यात् एकस्यामिव योषिति कमनीया अशुचिः स्वाद्वी इति. कल्पित dharmas are avastu. They don't have any satyatva. Therefore, ekatra sambhava is possible. He gives drishtanta, beautiful drishtanta is there. Ekasyamiva yoshiti, in one stree, somebody will have kamaniya bhava. Kamaniya means she is very beautiful. Somebody will have ashuchi, she is impure. Somebody will have the bhava swadvi, tasty. Somebody means who? In Tika he gives all those ideas. See in Tika. Viruddha dharmanam, third line in the Tika. Viruddha dharmanam api avidya parikalpitatvat ekasmin dharmini samavesho nanupapannah. Viruddha dharmanam avidya parikalpitatvat, they are avidya kalpita. So in one dharmi, viruddha dharma kalpana can happen. There is no contradiction there. Yatha ekasmin api stri dehe vastu bhedam antarenapi. Vastu bhedam antarenapi. What does that mean?
without having the difference in Vastu.
वस्तु भेदम विना, वस्तु भेदम अंतरेण, अंतरेण मीन्स विना, वस्तु भेदम विना, without having any bheda in the vastu, because there is only one sharira, stri there. But vasana vashat, vasana of different people is different. Kamuka वासना वसात वशात कामुक वन, परिव्राजक हाँ वासना वशात सॉरी ड्यू टू डिफरेंट वासनास कामुक परिव्राजक शूनाम, कामुक व्यक्ति इज वासना, परिव्राजक सन्यासी इज वासना, एंड शूनाम, शूनाम मीन्स ए डॉग, डॉग मीन्स डॉग हु ईट्स ह्यूमन बॉडी ऑल्सो, वुल्फ एक्सेट्रा. कमनीय अशुचि स्वाद्वी इति, स्वादु इति, विरुद्ध धर्म परिकल्पना. हाँ, इन श्लोक स्वाद्वी इति, in tika it should be dirgha, then it will be swadvi, it is given rasva, make it dirgha, swadvi iti. विरुद्ध धर्म परिकल्पना तद्वद इत्यर्थः. So a kamuka purusha will look at the same stri and will say she is kamaniya, she is beautiful. A sannyasi will see and say ashuchi, apavitra. And a pashu, like someone who eats, will say this is good meat for me to eat. So in that one stri, three bhavas are superimposed: kamaniyata, ashuddhata, swadishtata. Kamaniyata will be in stri. Kamaniya bhava is in the buddhi of kamuka purusha. Ashuddha bhava is in the buddhi of sannyasi. But ashuddhata is superimposed in the stri. So here, what is in the buddhi of different people is not to be taken in the drashtanta. What is superimposed in one? So in one there could be variety, and that one is actually not affected by any superimposed ideas. This is the main point. What is superimposed does not affect the substratum. Tatkrita doshena gunena va anumatrenapi sa na sambadhyate. Tadvat Atma. In the same way, Atma will not get affected by what is superimposed in it. So in this, Bhagavan Bhashyakara has a grantha called Sarva Darshana Sangraha. It has all the darshanas. In Bauddha Darshana, this shloka is given. Parivrat Kamuka Shunam Ekasyam Pramadatanav Kunapah Kamini Bhakshya iti Tisro Vikalpanaha. The same idea is given there. Parivrat, Kamuka and Shunam, same three are given. Kunapah means something which is to be discarded. Parivrat buddhi. Kamuka kamini. Shunam bhaksha buddhi. In Panchadashi, 4th chapter, different example is given. One stree is there, bharya snusha nananda cha yata mata anekadha प्रतियोगी दिया योषित भिद्यते न स्वरूपतः. In Jiva Srishti Prakarana, it is explained. One stree is there, somebody thinks this is Bharya, somebody Snusha, somebody Nananda, Yata Mata, etc. But the Bheda is only Pratiyogi Diya. Swarupatah, there is no Bheda. Viruddha Dharmanam Atmani Sambhave Api. So what is established? Viruddha Dharma is possible in Atma because they are all Kalpita. So there can be one Atma, many Anatma, all the Kalpana in that Atma is possible. Without actually doing the Bheda between Atma and Chidabhasa. If you say there is Chidabhasa, all superimposition is in Chidabhasa, then Atma is not getting affected. Like the Surya Pratibimba in different containers can have some effect. But the sun in the sky is absolutely untouched. विरुद्ध धर्माणाम आत्मनि संभवे तस्य असंगत्व व्याघात इति अतः. Somebody says if viruddha dharmas are there in Atma, where Atma is not asanga anymore, asangatva vyaghata will take place. So it is said no, it is still asanga only. नचायम क्रियाकारक फलात्मक आभास ईषदपि परमार्थ वस्तु स्पृशति तस्य मोह मात्रोपादानत्वात् अयं क्रियाकारक फलात्मकः आभासः. This is all आभास only. क्रियाकारक फल, everything. Abhas means only appearance, only illusion. I am so and so. Abhas matra. Kalpana. You are living in your imagination. Many people are very good at that. You see, this next sloka is going to explain. People, they just have their ideas and they become sukhi dukhi because of their mental projections. Many people don't want to face reality because they are afraid that their illusory world that they have created, the bubble in which they want to live, that bubble will be broken, it will be shattered. Instead of making an attempt consciously to break that illusion, they spend a lot of time and effort in protecting that illusion because they are worried what will happen if this illusion goes away. I have to face the reality. So on one hand, they want to remove Ajnanam by studying Vedanta Shastra. And on the other hand, they want to protect illusion. Then you will see so much contradiction and they will wonder, why am I not progressing? So this Kriya Karaka Phalatmaka Abhasa Ishadapi Paramartha Vastu na sprishati. Even a little, it does not touch the Paramartha Vastu. Brahma is intact. Tasya moha matra upanatvat. Tasya ka
आभासस्य
क्रियाकारक फलात्मक आभासस्य समास विग्रह मात्रम उपादानम यस्य आभास मोहमात्रम उपादानम मोह allusionam material cause of that abhasa means that abhasa is sustained by illusion only. False notion is life or things around. So that fortunately Atma doesn't get touched by it. टीका अनिर्वचनीय अज्ञान परिकल्पित द्वैत प्रपंच संबंधेन आत्मनो असंगत्वं न व्याहन्यते वस्तुतः तत्स्पर्शाभावात्। अनिर्वचनीय अज्ञान परिकल्पित द्वैत प्रपंच संबंध अनिर्वचनीयम तत् अज्ञानम ज्ञानम अनिर्वचनीय अज्ञानेन परिकल्पित द्वैतम द्वैत प्रपंच। सो अनिर्वचनीय अज्ञान परिकल्पित द्वैत प्रपंच तस्य संबंधेन entire Dvaita Prapancha is Kalpana of Ajnanam, which is Anirvachaniya. Therefore, Dvaita Prapancha is also Anirvachaniya. Sambandha of Nirvachaniya means Mithya Dvaita Prapancha with Atma does not affect the Asangatva of Atma. Atmano Asangatvam na vyahanyate. Vi ang upasarg purvak han dhatu hanyate. Why? Vastutaha tatsparsha bhavat. Really, it doesn't touch Paramatma. Nahi avidya parikalpita नीलम गुणेन गगनम नीली क्रियते ततश्च न असंगत्व व्याघात इत्यर्थः। अविद्या परिकल्पित नीलम गुण नीलिमा of आकाश does not make the आकाश blue. गगनम न नीली क्रियते. In the same way, does not get it. So what is he showing? See, if you remember the beginning of this chapter, he said, Brahma Jnanam Vina, there is no moksha. For Brahma Jnana, you have to have Vairagya, you have to have Sadhan Chatushta, you have to do Guru Upasakti, then you have to do Tatpada, Twampada, Vichara. In that, Twampada is important. So in this chapter, we are going to do Twampada Vichara. He started with Twampada having Sthula Sharira. So Atma, Twampada, Sthula Sharira Viveka. Then Atma, Sukshma Sharira Viveka. Then he took Ahankar in particular in few stanzas. Now what is he showing? What is the Lakshyartha of this Twampada? Lakshyartha of Twampada is Paramartha Vastu, Asanga, which does not get affected by anything of Sthula Sharira, Sukshma Sharira. So the Asangatva of Atma, in that there is no Vyaghata, na Vyahanyate. Abhuta bhiniveshena swatmanam vanchayatyayam asatyapi dvitiyerthe सोमशर्म पिता यथा अभूताभिनिवेशेन स्वात्मानं वञ्चयत्ययम् असत्यपि द्वितीयेऽर्थे सोमशर्म पिता यथा. In Mandukya there is a karika, abhutabhiniveshosti dvayam tatra na vidyate. This whole thing is only abhuta abhinivesha. I have only pushed myself to live in some illusion. So you have to remember, Viveki lives in one illusion. Aviveki lives in Viveki lives in one illusion, right? What is the illusion? That I consider actually there is Jagat and then I am Karta Bhokta, but he is thinking. Viveki Purush. Aviveki lives in many illusions. How many illusions you can remove of this Aviveki person? There is no end. Because in everything they have some other kalpana only. This is Abhuta Abhinivesha. So because of this, Swatmanam Ayam Vanchayati. They deprive themselves from their own Swarupa, Ananda Swarupa. There is not a single moment when they are not unhappy. That is their wonder. This is Abhuta Abhinivesha. Swatmanam Ayam Vanchayati. Drashtanta Yatha Asatyapi Dvitiya Arthe Soma Sharma Pita. Like there is no second thing. Asati api Dvitiya Arthe. But there is one person. He is the father of Soma Sharma. So what is this Soma Sharma's father story? See, Tikakar is on a roll. Asatyapi Dvaita Prapanche Mithya Abhiniveshena Eva Aham Sukhi Dukhi Iti Swam Atmanam Ayam Loko Vanchayati. Vanchayati means we cheat. We are cheating ourselves. When there is no second, it is like if one person is playing chess, let us say, for both the sides. He plays something from here, he goes there and plays. Now he thinks, I am this person, that other person is opponent. And somehow he makes some mistake and opponent is winning. Who is opponent?
He himself.
He himself.
He himself. But he found out, oh, that person is winning now. So now he looks around, nobody else is there. So he changes something. Why are you doing this? This is you only. Swatmanam Vanchayati. Because of Mithya Abhinivesha in Dvaita Prapancha. Asatya api Dvaita Prapanche Mithya Abhiniveshena eva Aham Sukhi, Aham Dukhi. It is Kalpana. Tatra Drashtantaha Soma Sharma Pita. So he gives this is, I think, most elaborate. Kaschid Ati Daridro Brahmachari Bahuashi Bhikshamana. Some Ati Daridra Brahmachari, somebody very poor Brahmacharis are mostly poor only. Brahmacharis are never going in cars and this, that. Brahmacharis, they walk here. Brahmacharis, they have cycle at the most. And they generally are very hungry because they have to walk everywhere. They do so much chores also. They have to do ashram seva. They have to wash their clothes, clean their rooms. And in the cold weather, generally you feel very hungry. To Bahuashi, not Lagvashi, like Viviktat Shevi, Lagvashi. This is Bahuashi. Bhikshamanaha, Kartarishanaj. Bhikshamana, he lives on Bhiksha. So now there is Kadachit Durbhiksha Kale. Durbhiksha Kale means you imagine Corona, where all Anna Kshetras are shut down here in Rishikesh. Or very minimal is given. Those who used to go to Anna Kshetra, they know. Durbhiksha Kale, Saktum is what they call Sattu. Saktu Mushtim Badva. So somebody gave this Sattu, like a powdered dal, etc. Can put water and mix something and drink or eat. So that much only he got, let's say. But it is dry, so it can last longer. Saktu mushtiban nirvedat kasminschit parvate vriksha chhayayam shayana evam manorathayati isma. So now he is going somewhere and now he had to walk, so he gets tired. Nirvedat means he gets tired. Not that he has vairagya too much. Here in the forest behind, he lies down. And now he is doing some manoratha. Manoratha, there is no shortage. Manorathayati sma. Saptu mushti bandhanam muktva tena kashana gaha krita vardhaishyami. This Saptu mushti bandhanam muktva, I will sell this and I will buy some cows. Tena kashana gaha krita. Must be very cheap cows during those days. Gaha is which vibhakti?
Dvitiya Bahuvachanam.
Gau, gavaha, gam, gau, gaha. Gaha, krita, purchased. Vardhaishyami, then I will grow the cows. Tascha panchashad vatsarat aneka anaduha prasavishyanti. Anaduha means lagu. Anaduha shabda, the people were Anaduha means cow or bell, bull. Everything is called Anaduha. After 5-6 years, he says, I will have many cows and bulls. Prasavishyanti. Then, tato yatheshtam karshayishyami. Then, as per my will, karshayishyami. Karshayishyami, karsh dhatu is for the plowing. I will have land, I will do farming, etc. Tato dhana dhanyadi samagram bhavishyati. Then I will have lot of wealth, lot of grains, etc., etc. Then tato dasi dasadi bahulam graham sampadayishyami. Then I will have many servants, male servants, female servants, big house, etc. Bahulam graham sampadayishyami. Then ईदृशीं संपदम दृष्ट्वा योग्यतमः कश्चित् स्वकन्यां मह्यं प्रदास्यति पश्चात् यथा विधानं गार्हस्थ्यम अनुभविष्यामि. Remember, he is lying down under a tree. ईदृशीं संपदम दृष्ट्वा, seeing my this kind of wealth with so many dasa, dasi, house, dhana, dhanya, all the cows, etc. Somebody will give his daughter to me. Kaschit swakanyam yogyatamaha drashtva. Seeing me worthy and befitting, somebody will give me his kanya, not cow, kanya. Swakanyam mahyam pradasyati. Then paschat, thereafter, yatha vidhanam garhasthyam anubhavishyami. I will live the grahasthashrama as prescribed by the Vedas. Yatha vidhanam. Then it is said that prajananam you have to do. What is given in Shikshavalli? Prajanascha swadhyaya. Prajatischa.
Prajanani.
Prajanascha. What is the
Prajananagam Sandhanam.
no. प्रजा च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च प्रजनश्च स्वाध्याय प्रवचने च प्रजातिश्च स्वाध्याय. And then later it is said आचार्याय प्रियम धनमाहृत्य प्रजातंतुम मा व्यवच्छेत्सि. Having offered the to the acharya, break the lineage of the praja. Prajatantum ma vyavachhetsi. So I will also not break the lineage. That's why he says, Vamshakaram putram utpadya. I will have a child, son, who will be continuing the lineage, Vamsha. Utpadya, I will name him as Soma Sharma. Iti nama kritva paschat kutumba saukhyānubhava samaye. Enjoying so many children also will be there. One of will be Soma Sharma. Anubhava samaye rudantam mataram anugatam Soma Sharmanam. Rudantam mataram. Samanadhikaranya or Vaidhikaranya?
Vayadikarana. Rudantam is Shatru Pratyaya.
Because mother is not crying. Soma Sharma. Rudantam, Shatru Pratyaya. Rudantam Soma Sharmanam. Mataram anugatam. Crying Soma Sharma will go to mother. His mother means this person's wife. But Swakarya Paravashyat tam anadritya gachantim swam bharyam drashtva. But because she is busy, she will ignore him. He is crying. So this fellow is sitting somewhere, let's say watching TV or looking into his phone. And then he sees that this fellow Soma Sharma doesn't stop crying. His wife doesn't pay attention to this child. So, Swam Bharyam Drashtva Putra Nimitta Kopena. He is angry. Swam Bharyam Atadayat. I will do Tadanam. Means I will hit her. That you are not taking care of this child. That Bhiksha Patra in which he had the Sattu. It is on the right side and he is moving his right hand. Then what happens? Tato Bhiksha Patram Karaghatat Dvidha Patat. Saptavasya Vayu Vegad Apasaran. The pot falls down, breaks into two. The Sattu which is there because of the breeze, it all goes everywhere. Everything is over. Now he is crying. Paschad, Aho Kashtam, Nashtosmi, Mandabhagyoham, Saptavasya Mama Apagachan, King Karishyami iti, Prabuddha San Pita Vyalapat. Then he cries, Kashtam, Nashtosmi, Mandabhagyo, my fortune, I misfortune. All my Sattu is gone. My whole family, my all wealth is destroyed. Wealth which was never there. Mama apagachan, saktavasya apagachan. King karishyami iti prabuddha san pita. Pita means he is not pita actually. He never became pita. Vyalapat, he does such pralapa. Tat tadetat drishtantatvena udaharati ityarthaha. This is the drishtanta. There is nothing. He creates a big illusion, then he cries over it. That I lost this, I did. It was never yours to begin with. You only are living in some illusion, thinking that this is mine, that is mine. This body, first the illusion in the body, then in other things, property, relations, etc. Then crying all the time. This doesn't affect reality. Reality means Paramartha Brahma. Brahma is unaffected. But I am depriving myself, I am cheating myself, not allowing me to know the truth. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.